She wants to love you. Now stop it. Squeaky just wants to love you. It's the usual chaos here this morning. Good morning, everybody. Howdy, howdy, howdy. Happy Wednesday. I don't know. Thank you for the likes and the follows and the kids. And you guys are all right. Be nice. Be nice. Be nice. Share your mother. Be nice. Share your mother. Gotta share mama. Share your mama. You gotta share the mama. Come on, Clyde. Well, that's what you get for being a jerk. Mimi! What are you doing? What are you doing, Squeak? Good girl. Hi, Squeaky. Squeaka deeky deeky doo. Hi, Squeaky deeky. Boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. Squeaky! Linda, what are you doing, Linda? Come on, Linda. Get your baby. Where is everybody? No, hold on. Would you stop? Jeez. Cheese and crackers. You know, cheese and crackers. Enough. Hi, we're a senior dog sanctuary. We have 22 dogs here. Hi. Hello, Mimi. Hi, Linda. Linda's here. Linda's here. Sorry, guys. I can't see the comments from all the way back there, so I'm back. I'm back. Hi, Linda. This is Linda. Linda's 14. And this is Mimi. And Mimi is 9. And this is Squeaky. Squeaky is 7. And Big Mouth over here is Piggy. And he is, I believe he's 13. And his friend next to him, the little adorable monkey, that is Diggy. Diggy dog. Dig Digs. Diggy's 16 years old. Angel up top. I believe Angel is 11 or 12. I don't remember. At this point, I don't remember. This is Foxy. She's 16. Hey! And she's full of it. Clyde is chilling over here. Come on over here, Clydey. Over here, my Clyde. Here's Clyde. Here he is. Here's Clyde. There he is. They are not up for adoption. These dogs are all sanctuary dogs. Good morning. All those numbers. I can't do those numbers. Is that math? Oh my God. It's multiplication. He is a handsome boy. Hi. Yo quiero beso. Beso. Yo quiero beso. We think Clyde's about 14 years old. Be jealous of me when I'm doing laundry. Or when I'm mopping the floor for the 10th time. Then you can be jealous. Oh my God, it's so much work. But it's so worth it. They're so amazing. Thank you for the heart puff. Thank you for the likes and the follows, you guys. You guys are amazing. Happy hump day. There's too much talking. Way too much talking. Come on, Linda, come. Linda, get up. Linda, you can do it. Come on, up. Linda, up. Come on, Linda. Come on, Linda. Linda thinks the floor is lava. Linda thinks the floor is lava. Come on, Linda, you can do it. Linda. Linda. There you go, you got it. Good girl. For some reason, she thinks the floor is lava. You're gonna get kicked out, bro. You're gonna get kicked out again. You're going to get kicked out again. You have to get kicked out every day. Every day you get kicked out. Every day. Literally. Every day. Happy hump day. Every day you get kicked out, man. Why do you make me kick you out of here? Did you act right? Act right. That's all. Thank you, Kat. Good morning. Good morning, Karen. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning. Boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. Right? You got boots with the fur, Mama. You got adorable furry boots. And Mommy loves them. Oh, Peggy. You're just looking for someone to be angry with. Be nice. Hey. Get your baby. Get your baby. Get your baby. Get your baby. Have a baby. Who wants a baby? Clyde, you want a ball? Have some babies up there. There you go. Babies. Oh my God. The fuzzy one. The fuzzy one. This one right here. This is Squeaky. Squeaky's a Chinese crested, hairy, hairless. She's a former puppy mill mama. No more puppies for her. No more puppies. Or this fuzzy one. This fuzzy one down here is Foxy. Foxy. I'm sorry. They're all mine. We're a senior dog sanctuary, so they all come here with medical issues and disabilities, and they come and stay here for the rest of their lives. Squeaky! Hi, Squeaks. Squeaky, Squeaky. Stop being so obsessed with her. We need a restraining order on you. You're obsessed with her right now. 22 in total. You're only seeing the kitchen crew. This crew, there's probably 11 in the kitchen crew. What, Diggy? Don't be angry with her. I'm going to start being mad now. I don't want to be mad, but I'm going to start being mad. I'm done with this now. It's not funny anymore. It's not funny. You're going to get kicked out. Yeah, don't kiss me and think you're cute. It's not funny. Bad boy. He bad boy. Don't yell at everybody. Stop yelling at everyone. You stop too. She doesn't want your toy at all. She doesn't even play with toys. She doesn't even know what toys are. Right? We don't know what toys are, do we? Because we were in a puppy mill. Yes, we don't know what toys are. We sure don't. I gotta fix your eyes though. Your eyes are yucky. If you would just let me trim this fur, Mommy. If you would let me do it. But you don't let me do it. You don't let me do it. I do social supernova, but I can't say. So I don't want them to know. They are just the bestest. Exactly, Hannah. You're gonna get kicked out, bro. Doing too much. You're gonna get kicked out. I'm serious. Stop now. Done. We're done with this silliness. I'm done with this. Everybody thinks it's so funny that you're grumpy. It's not funny. You're bad. Stop. Stop being grumpy. Stop being grumpy. Okay? Don't be grumpy. Oh, but I love the cute potatoes. The yappy one's name is Piggy. Well, which yappy one? We got this one and that one. You know what? I'll tell you what. Because I've had a couple people drop animals off. I have a sign on my porch that says it's illegal to dump animals at my house. This is my house. So we're not a facility. This is my home. So we are on Google, unfortunately. Stop. I'm going to kick you out. I'm going to kick you out. I'm going to kick you out. Okay? Yeah, don't hold my hand. I don't want to hold your hand. Hey. Just because it's my personal home. I think if I was a shelter or something like that, it would happen, but he's bad, this one, Piggy. He's mental. He's mental. You're mental. Why are you so mental? And why are you mad at her? She's not even looking at you. She's not even looking at you. Oh my God, that face. Did you see that? Good Lord. He's not cute, he's bad. Sir. Stop. You know what you're doing. You know exactly what you're doing. Now stop. Wrestle with your friend. Have a little bromance. The white one's name is Angel, and she's not. $15, that's great. Yeah, he bites at them sometimes. He's a bad boy. I got it, Crab. I got it. They do. He likes to talk a lot. He likes to talk a lot. But sometimes he's bad. Sometimes he tries to bite them. But the funny part is they don't have any teeth. So no, not at all. We have big dogs as well. We have 2 pit bulls as well. Hi, Marcella. We have 22 dogs here. Right here with me right now, I have, I think, 11. Angel, I can't hear. What is that noise that you're making? It's a very weird sound. Right? It's a very weird sound. Dakota, that's awesome. Hi, Mrs. Winkler. Absolutely. I'll boop this one because it's mean. Mean snoot. I want to do that bop, twist it, pull it, bop. Right? Bop, twist it, pull it. See, is that annoying? Am I annoying you? Am I annoying you? Would you stop? Stop. Leave her alone. And Diggy doing his Diggy thing. Oh my word. Oh my word. She's completely ignoring him. See this? He's barking at her. And she's completely ignoring him. I don't know why he's barking at her. There's no reason. She's not doing anything. She's minding her business. Oh, Diggy. I know. Diggy takes advantage of any situation. They are not adoptable. This is a senior dog sanctuary. It is the most rewarding thing you can ever do. Absolutely. Absolutely. It's amazing. It's the best thing I've ever done. Come here, Mommy. Literally the best thing I've ever done. Especially with dogs that, no, they don't get in any big fights. We don't get grants. I wish we did. I've written for grants and we never get them. I've gotten like one or two like corporate grants. And those are a little bit easier to get just because of the you're sponsored by an employee for a corporate grant, but it is just like, I don't know, through donations, only by donations. And you are Lynn's. I love you, I love you, I love you. Specialize in geriatrics. Our vet specialty is geriatrics, and she's amazing. I have a question for you, Linz. Do they teach nutrition? Anything about nutrition? I'm curious about that because things are changing with regard to nutrition. So I'm just curious if they do anything as far as like. Hi, Diggy. What do you want? You want her. I know you want her, but she doesn't want you. She's gonna yell. She's gonna yell at you. See, I told you you're getting yelled at. That's great. Linz, a suggestion for you. If you get a chance, do some, and I don't know if your program does this, but shelter medicine. You'll see things you never thought you were going to see in private practice. Shelter medicine is pretty amazing. So if you get a chance to do a little bit of that, definitely check it out. You'll see some crazy stuff. You're perpetually angry. Right? Have a wrestle sesh with your bud. Wrestle with your friend. You gonna wrestle with your friend? Wrestle with your friend. You gonna wrestle with him? You gonna wrestle with your friend? You gonna wrestle with your friend, Diggy? You put people away for it? That's amazing, Mud, because I'll tell you what, there's quite a few dogs here whose owners were not charged. And they should have been. And it's, that's great. That's wonderful. The more you see, it makes you amazing. An amazing vet, for sure. I've seen some things volunteering in a shelter I never thought I would ever see. Gunshots, narcoleptic dogs. I never saw a narcoleptic dog before. That was interesting. All kinds of interesting stuff. There does need to be more consequences, and the sad part is that animals are seen as property, and in the eyes of the law, and it's a shame because they have no rights, no nothing. Ari, good morning. And the fines are dumb. Like there's very rarely jail time. There's fines. Maybe they say you can't have animals. I mean, it's not enough. No, I don't need any help bathing them. They don't get a lot of baths. They get baths, but not like all the time. Foxy gets groomed because she's got a triple coat. Pomeranians have really thick fur. Are you catching this little wrestle sesh back here? Thank you, Maud. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you for the likes. Love you. Thank you for the gifts and the follows. You guys are amazing. And thank you for sharing our live. Would you stop it? Would you stop it? Would you stop it? You're crazy. You are a crazy girl. You are a crazy lady. Look how she like fish hooks herself. If I have my finger out, she like fish hooks. She like hooks her teeth onto my hand. She's such a nut. You're a nut. Stop doing this. You're weird. Yeah, it's a shame. It's a good way for me to look at your teeth, though. Why are your teeth so icky? You're a young girl. You're a young girl. You have crappy breath. What are you doing, you two? Bros. Bros. Shannon, your Yorkie is 15. That's awesome. Thank you for the heartbeat, Jessica. Thank you so much, you guys. Right? It's so weird. Stop it. Stop it. She doesn't want anything to do with your nonsense. Stop. Play with your friend. Play with your friend. Stop it. Oh, come on now. Weirdos. Weirdos. Shh. Thank you, Jessica. I have 22 dogs here, and 2 of them are big. My food bills are insane. And shush, I can't hear. They all eat raw food. So our food bills are kind of crazy. But, good morning, my friends. So I will tell you though, if you look, I can't hear myself think. So let's pump the brakes. Let's pump the brakes on this. Pump the brakes. All right? Pump the brakes. Here, get your baby. Get your baby. Get your baby. Don't be distracted. I don't have any teeth. This is the stupidest thing. Hi, Annie. Hi, Lakota. I love you. Thank you for saying that. Yeah, it comes and goes here. But pretty soon, everybody will start to chill out. Hi, Diggy. Diggy, you want your mama? Do you want mama? I know you do. You always do. You always do. You always do. Linz, are you still on here? I have a couple interesting things. The Pom is 16 years old. She's 16. Hi, Linz. Listen, so this dog and this dog, neither of them have bone in their bottom jaw, so their bottom jaw just sort of hangs open. They both came from the same house. They both have contracted rear patellas on one side, but on the opposite side. We can't figure out what in the world happened to them. They were a cruelty and abuse case. So that's what I mean. It's so weird. And then, wait, which one is yours? So you can see hers. Do you see her leg going backwards up top here? This is her frozen knee. It's a contracted right patella. So that's frozen. His is the left side. So it's so weird that they both came from the same house and they both have contracted rear knees. And they have no bottom bone in their bottom jaw. It's all deteriorated from really bad, I guess, or lack of dental care. So that's interesting stuff you'll see. Also, he has a hole under this eye. I don't know what it is. It's healed that way, and it always drains. Yeah, he's big mad. He's big mad all the time, Agnes. He's goofball. He's goofy. Diggy has contracted elbows. They're frozen the way they are. Oh, he's doing a massage. Doing a massage? Are you doing a massage? Oh, wrestling. WrestleFest. I know, he's whacked. Bipolar. He's wacky. Yeah, the elbows. Yeah, his elbows are contracted. They're actually frozen at this point. He was able to move them when he first got here. Our vet seems to think that he was born this way with these issues, but these are frozen. he can't straighten them at all. They're frozen like that. So he walks on his forearms. Squeaky's up top in the back there. So he walks on his forearms, and so now his wrists are starting to go sideways because that's the best way he can figure out how to walk. It's really sad. It really sucks. Chicks dig those flippers. They do dig his flippers. Everybody digs his flippers. But his elbows are completely frozen. They can't move at all. Like you can't move that at all. It presents a problem when we take him in for any kind of dental procedures or anything like that, because it's like, you know, when they have to tie him, it kind of messes him up. And then his back is up in the air. So, stop it, guys. I'm shooting Diggy off. So this is how Diggy walks. It's okay, buddy. Look out, stoopy head. So Diggy's butt is up in the air. As you can see, his elbows don't work. It sucks, but he's on pain meds 3 times a day. We do pulse electromagnetic frequency mat for him. He's 16. He's also on Jump for Joints, which is awesome. It's Arnica, and it's made by Adored Beast, and it's really good. Agnes, so I did regular rescue for about 20 years, and then my rescue partner moved away, and I had some decisions to make on how I was going to go forward. And in the meantime, I had adopted, a couple senior dogs on my own, and I just loved them so much. And then it reminded me of all the times I had to pass the seniors by when I was doing rescue, because they didn't really want to, they weren't highly adoptable. We had to take the highly adoptable dogs in. And I said, you know what, this is what I'm going to do now. And on Friday, it will be our 6-year, thank you for the heart, me. On Friday, it will be our 6-year anniversary of getting our 501c3, our official 501c3. It'll be 6 years. Hi, Daisy Dogs. Yeah, it was just something I was called to do. It was something I needed to do. Hi, Angel. What are you doing? Good morning. Good morning. I know. Thank you, Carly. You just have to know that, I take them in and I know that that's going to happen. So I just kind of have it in my mind to give them the best life I can while they're here. And how I handle it is I know that I'm going to be, letting them go. So thank you so much. I love the Bambi. I love that. Love the Woodland Wonder. Thank you. Thank you. So I know that I'm going to be letting them go. So when their bodies start to fail them, I feel like it's the last gift I can give them is to free them from that. And also I have all the other ones that I have to take care of, so I kind of can't really fall apart. Excuse me, sir. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I do the best I can for them. I keep them as comfortable as possible. And what else, what else is there, Come on, baby. Come on, get up. Come on, up here. Up. Get up. High five. Up. Come on, up. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's very sneaky. Don't do that. Sneaky. I'll be right back, you guys. Everybody behave. Right? Everybody behave. Look how chill they are when I'm not sitting there. I think they show off for me. You guys are chill when I'm not there, huh? I think they're all jealous. They all want mommy. Right? You all want your mama? Is that what it is? That's probably it. But if I'm not over there, I can't see what's going on. Right? I can't see what's going on. Hi, Squeaks. I have a board meeting at 8:30. Oh. So I'm going to have to leave you guys a little early this morning. Come on, baby. Look out, babies. Okay, I'm back. I had to put on real clothes. What's up, dog? What time is it here? It's 8:08 a.m. I think I might do another outside live today. It's usually like around 1 o'clock. So anywhere between 12 and 1. We have 22 dogs here. So yeah, did you like that, Jade? You like the outside ones? You too, Robin Riches. We don't walk all of them. They don't all walk. We have a backyard. We have a beautiful backyard garden. And yeah, it's great to see everybody outside in the sunlight. And you'll see more of the dogs out there. I think 18 of them will go out. 4 of them don't like to go out. So we'll be back on. Hopefully, it looks like it's going to be a nice day. I don't know what the weather said, but I think it's going to be a nice day. I don't have my watch. All right, relax, relax. Mind your business. Mind your business. Hold on. Sheesh. Really? Hi, Mimi. Hi, Memes. See what the weather said. I don't know. It's looking like it's going to be a nice day, but you never know around here. It's going to be 66 today, so yeah, we will be outside today. We will be outside today. Note to myself. Where's my pen? All right. All right. Oh, would you stop? Be nice to her. Come on, man. Be a nice girl, would you? Come on. Come on, friends. Right? Hi, Squeaky. Hi, little Mimi. You can't come to breakfast with me. I wish you could. I wish you could. If we could sit outside in the summer. She's so ridiculous. Oh my God, she's so ridiculous. She's so ridiculous. Look at that little face. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh, Mimi, you are ridiculous. You are ridiculous. She's ridiculous. She's so small. She's so tiny. It's hard to get her like a feel of how tiny she is, but she is so tiny. Her little head is probably smaller than a tennis ball, which is hard to imagine. But she's really, really sweet and very cute and very chill. Get your ball. Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Where's your ball, Mommy? Where is it? Where's your ballie? Where's your toys? Where's your toys, you little cutie? Where's your toys, little cutie? Where's your toys, little cutie? Where's your toys, little cutie? Are you so cute? Are you so cute? Yeah? What? What would you like? I really think I need to take you to the eye doctor. I think that your eyes are really not good. What's going on with this eye? Yeah, I think we need an appointment. I do think so. I think we need an eye doctor appointment, don't we? I think so. Yep, I think so. I think so. Yes, I do. Hi, Piggy. Can you go back in your room? Piggy, go in the spice room. Come on. No. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boys. Oh, you're okay, Jupiter. You're okay, Jupy. I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, Jupy. Mama's gotta leave, honey. Hi, guys. Hi, Mimi. Everybody's up here snoozing. Everybody's snoozing. Hi, Diggs. Hi, Diggy. You little cutie. Hi, Diggs. Diggy! Diggy dog! Diggity dog! You sure did. She's up top here. Squeaks! Come here, Squeaky! Come on, Squeaky! Oh, I know, Jupiter. Squeaky, come here. Come on, Squeaks. Come on, Squeaky, Squeaky. There she is. Yep, we leave them all out when we leave. Yep. There she is, my Chinese crested. Boots with the fur. Right? You're such a good girl. You are such a good girl. You really need a haircut, but you won't let me do it.